Now we need to open Task Manager. So click here to open it. Then select File. Click on Run New Task. Now click here. Then click on this PC. Just scroll down and open C drive. Then open Windows folder. Then open this folder. After that, just scroll down and select CMD file and click on open. Now check this box and then click on open. Now we are going to execute some commands. These commands are really important. You can manually type these commands, or to avoid mistakes you can simply copy and paste these commands from the page I will show you. So open Google Chrome and simply type here google.com. Then in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link from www.hows.tech. On this page, just scroll down and right click on command number 12. Select copy. Then right click here, click on edit and select paste. Then hit enter to execute the command. Now again go back to the page and copy command number 13. Again paste that command on command prompt and hit enter. Once done, type exit and hit enter to close the command prompt. Click on search icon and type here CMD. Run as administrator. Select S. Now type this command carefully, sfc space /scannow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete its process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar. Open command prompt again. Run as administrator. Now these commands are really important, so to avoid mistakes you will get all these commands from the description below. Copy them and paste on command prompt and hit enter to execute them. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar and type registry editor. Click here to open it. Select as. It will open register window. Now go to file and export. Type here backup. Select save. Then expand HK local machine. Expand system folder. Expand current control set. Then control folder. Scroll down, then session manager folder and memory management. On the right side, right click on and delete it. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.